Today, we are talking about something so many women ask about. Why do I still look frumpy even when I try to dress nicely? Don't worry, this isn't about criticism, it's about empowerment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's making your outfits look outdated or unpolished, and more importantly, exactly how to fix it. We're covering 10 frumpy style mistakes that women make at all ages and how to instantly turn each one into a chic, modern, confident look. So grab a coffee, take notes, and let's level up your style together. Let's get started. Mistake number one, wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Let's begin with the most common issue, poor fit. You can buy the most expensive clothing, but if it doesn't fit, it will still look frumpy. Signs of bad fit: shoulders drooping, waist too loose or too tight, pants bunching, tops ballooning around the torso. Tailoring is your best friend. A small alteration can turn a shapeless shirt into a chic, structured piece. Try pieces with intentional structure: darted shirts, ankle-length trousers, blazers. Learn your real measurements, not the number on the tag. If you constantly feel like you're adjusting your clothes, they're the wrong fit. Mistake number two, outdated silhouettes. Even if a piece technically fits, the cut can date your whole look. What looks outdated? Capris with a wide opening, boxy tunic tops, low-rise everything, extremely long skirts that cut your proportions. Choose silhouettes that elongate the body, high-rise straight or slim pants, midi skirts instead of maxi tents, tops that hit mid-hip rather than covering the entire torso. Modern doesn't mean trendy, it means balanced proportions. Mistake number three, wearing worn out basics. Basics are the backbone of your wardrobe, so when they look tired, you look tired. Signs your basics are aging you: faded black leggings, pilled sweaters, stretched tank tops, yellowing white tees. Refresh your basics every season or two. Invest in better fabrics, cotton blends, modal, thicker knits. Keep one at-home set and one public-ready set. Mistake number four, frumpy footwear. Shoes can make or break an outfit instantly. Frumpy footwear examples: bulky running shoes with everyday clothes, extremely old flats with no structure, worn out sandals, orthopedic looking shoes, unless required. Opt for sleek white sneakers, loafers, ankle boots, or structured flats. Try pointed toes or almond toes for an elongated, polished leg line. Replace insoles instead of replacing shoes. You can be comfortable and chic. The two are not enemies. Mistake number five, no accessories or the wrong ones. Accessories are your outfit's visual punctuation. Without them, outfits often look unfinished. Add a delicate necklace, modern earrings, or a chic watch. Belt your dresses or oversized tops to define the waist. Structured bags immediately elevate your look. Mistake number six, the wrong bra or undergarments. This one is huge. The wrong bra can ruin the entire shape of your outfit. Signs you need a new bra: straps slipping, back band riding up, cup spillage, no support, or too much padding. Get a professional bra fitting. Choose seamless underwear for smooth lines. Have at least a nude bra, a black bra, a supportive everyday bra, a strapless option. Mistake number seven, choosing comfort over style every time. Comfort is important, but comfort-only outfits can easily look frumpy. Examples: oversized hoodies with saggy leggings, pajama-like sets worn outside, shapeless cardigans. Choose structured comfort: soft knit blazers, elevated loungewear, fitted joggers, cashmere blend sweaters. Mistake number 8, ignoring personal grooming. You don't need a full glam routine, but neglecting grooming can age your entire look. Keep nails clean and shaped. Maintain brows. Moisturize skin. Choose a simple, everyday makeup routine. Keep hair trimmed and styled. A polished woman doesn't need to look perfect. She just needs to look intentional. Mistake number 9, wearing colors that don't suit you. Wearing the wrong colors can make your skin look dull or washed out. Learn your undertone, warm, cool, or neutral. Build a palette that enhances your complexion. Start with soft neutrals, navy, white, olive, and jewel tones. Mistake number 10, no style, identity, or outfit formula. The biggest frumpy mistake is not knowing how you want to look. When you don't have a style direction, outfits become random, leading to frumpy, mismatched, or confusing combinations. Create an outfit formula. Examples: fitted top plus structured jacket plus straight jeans plus ankle boots. Monochrome neutrals plus gold accessories. Flowy blouse plus tailored pants plus loafers. Choose 3 to 5 words that describe the style you want: classic, feminine, modern, minimal, chic, soft, or elevated casual. Build your outfits around these words. So those were 10 frumpy style mistakes that women make, and I hope now you feel confident and excited to elevate your wardrobe with simple, realistic changes. Remember, you don't need a closet full of clothes, you just need the right ones. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly style wisdom. Comment below which mistake you're fixing first or which one surprised you the most. Thank you for watching. Stay confident, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.